Oh, let me see this little spot that you know what I'm saying? Let me see what you're doing over here, man. All right, just right there. I'm gonna let it sit for a second. It's a silver worm, so I'm hoping something will catch on. Uh-oh. No, that was just the bottom. I guess it's just the bottom. Yeah, it's just the bottom. He ate the worm, man.
A new worm, man.
It was a new worm.
Yep, artificial.
1 pounder tore up his 1 pounder tore up his bait.
Yeah.
How did the bat?
I let this free fall.
Oh man. Okay. That's right. Good old Toby. Yeah. Yeah.
You ain't got no worms in that cut. I might got one more left.
So basically what we doing is just going up and down this line right here. And you know, it's always something along these lines. I mean always. You know? Y'all check this out. In the midst of 2 minutes, like, I don't know, they having a fishing family reunion out here or something. I don't know what's going on, but look at this. It's crazy. Crazy. I got a pack full of different ones, so I'm gonna throw on something else different and see what's going on right quick. Gotta get at least one, I think. So let's hope my trusty handy dandy black worm get us a fish, hopefully. Say, man, if don't too much hit this daggone worm right here, and I'm look like I'm gonna have to ask Toby for some real worm, because this is woof, no bite, no nothing yet, y'all. Guess I gotta keep on finessing, man. Just keep finessing it, and we're gonna see what we can do. Hopefully we get us something good, but the looks of it looks like that Toby has the recipe, and I'm gonna try to follow suit. You know, I'm gonna try to follow suit. But this black worm right here, it does work wonders though. For me, it has these past couple of days, you know, works pretty good, y'all. Pretty good. All right, y'all. So far, I haven't caught anything yet. I done threw on my little fat bass. Can y'all see that? I done threw on my little fat bass, baby bass color. I don't know, man. I'm gonna keep on going on though. That's what we're gonna do, because that's the only way you're gonna catch one, is if you keep on going on, right? All right, then. Let's do it. See if I can throw that damn good little waves. Yeah, that looks about right. Looks about right. Hopefully I get me a giant. Hopefully a giant. We're gonna keep on yanking her like that. It's jigging. Man, I done got stuck all in the bushes. I done found somebody else's jig. Oh, just found a weight. Got my bait back. And now it's time to get my hook from up out of here. Woo! Man. Sheesh. Toby said a couple more casts out and we're gonna head to another pond, man. Yeah? Alright. It's crazy, man. So far, My boy Toby got one bass. One freaking bass. We need to get some more on the boards, man. We need to get some more on the boards. About to jump to another pond right quick and see what we could do. I'm pretty sure another pond would do the trick, because I think this one right now is being very pressured because it got, you know, stuff like this going on. You know, it's like neighborhood ponds and stuff like that. So, you know, yeah. Alright, so we at another spot. Let's see what we can do out here. You know what I'm saying?
That's your white card there?
You alright?
Huh?
Oh, okay. Ooh. Ooh. Man. Alright. We about to scoop down. Yes, sir. Well, I tried what I could try all the way down, but these corners right here, they might be a little bit promising. I don't know, but we about to see though. Really haven't caught anything for real, you know, one bass, and I didn't even catch that, you know. Like, oh, come on, man. I just throwing out the prayer, you know. And then I get stuck on a tree, which is unfair. Come on, man. Where you stuck at, man? Oh, jeez. Whew. Whew, unlucky day today. Unlucky day today. He over there catching them catfish. Man, you gonna have to cook us some catfish nuggets, man. You gonna have to let me see how they taste. Oh yeah, that's what's up. That's what's up. While he catching them all, I'm just sitting here like, I ain't doing nothing. I ain't got not one bite today, not one fish today, and I done tried like maybe over 10 baits, y'all. That's it, man. Look, it's crazy. So I'm just gonna sit here, and when this guy ready, I'll be ready, because I'm done for the day. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. One more, and what you got? How many catfish you got? 2 catfish, what else? And a bass. See what I'm saying? And I ain't even on the board today, so oh well. Well, y'all, hey, I hope y'all enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, the whole 9. Today was fishing with Toby, because I ain't catch nothing. So, man, we gonna do this thing again tomorrow now. Y'all stay tuned. Peace.